So, thank you so much for joining me and in different talks. And really, I wanted to start with asking the same question to all of you, and then we'll go on to a deeper conversation, hopefully. I know we have very little time, but really, all of you come from, I mean, two of you have NSD backgrounds, two of you are not trained as such. What is the difference? And, the roles that you get, that's my next question. The roles that you get, you're so good at them, but is there a danger then that you get typecast? Amrita, you want to go first?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, before I went to NSD, I had met a very veteran, legendary actor, Dr. Shriram Lagu in Pune.
Oh, of
And
course.
I asked him कि मुझे जाना चाहिए NSD या नहीं जाना चाहिए, मैं क्या करूं, मतलब मैं training, what should I do? So he said, देखो, जिसको सीखना है वो
हाँ,
वहां जाएगा तो उसको atmosphere मिलेगा, and then it will be great that you'll be in that atmosphere and you'll
right,
have all those avenues,
right.
पर जो सीखेगा वो कहीं पे भी रह के सीखेगा, और जो नहीं सीखना चाहता वो वहां जाके भी सो जाएगा, like what I mean.
Good point.
And I have seen this happening there, like when I went there. So I believe that actor can learn anywhere and
Right,
everywhere, and each moment is a learning process. तो मैं ये नहीं मानती कि NSD के आने के बाद मेरा learning process खत्म हुआ, या it's
right.
each moment, like before you came here we were talking amongst ourselves,
Huh,
and I was learning from them also,
right,
and I learned from new directors. So
right.
मेरा NSD was a एक उसमें से ये हम कह सकते हैं, but I think that learning, if one has to learn, he or she can learn anywhere and everywhere and always.
Right,
But yes, NSD helped me
right.
because I was fortunate to have Nasiruddin Shah as my visiting faculty,
Wow.
because Hiba was my batchmate, his daughter. So like he came for maximum times to teach us,
Right.
and what he has told me, then I have been, वो मैं अभी तक समझ रही हूँ, because उन्होंने ऐसे खजाना दे दिया है मुझे, and
हाँ,
then
हाँ,
you have to apply it, but it's like, it's a lifelong process, ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
जी,
So I think it definitely helped me. And as you said about being typecast, that is the first thing he taught me,
हाँ,
not, not to repeat myself, and he had told me in a very nice manner.
हाँ,
उन्होंने मेरा एक नाटक वहां देखा था, उन्होंने कहा था कि अमृता, आप ये जो यहाँ के जो बाण है ना वो बदलते रहो. तो मैंने कहा, व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट सर, आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. सो
हाँ,
ही सेड, कुछ चीजें तुम्हें अच्छी से आती है, लाइक यू कैन क्राई वेल,
हाँ,
मे बी यू कैन लाफ वेल. सो तुम्हारा क्राइंग वेल, लाफिंग वेल उस कैरेक्टर पे थोपो मत. से
अच्छा,
व्हाट द कैरेक्टर हैज टू से एंड डू दैट.
right.
सो go out of your comfort zone. So that is the first thing he taught me, not to get typecast. And that is why I think I have I have seen कि मतलब अगर उसी तरह के रोल अगर आए तो
हाँ,
वो मैं ना करूं. And life has been fortunate कि on Netflix also, if you have seen it, it has been Selection Day, then
yeah,
Kusum Dev Yadav,
बिल्कुल.
then Chok. So like you can see कि ये कुसुम देवी यादव कुछ और ही है, चोक
हाँ,
की आई है वो कुछ और ही है, and then Selection Day की जो जूस वाली है कुछ और.
right,
So I think life has been kind, and NSD helped me in that.
right. But आपके लिए was Gully Boy the turning point in your career, in your journey? Was that the point where suddenly people said, "अरे, ये कौन है?" Although you'd been around.
हाँ, वो हुआ because see गली बॉय का जो जिस मतलब it was Zoya Akhtar film.
हाँ,
So of course उस फिल्म में जब मैं आई तो काफी लोगों को ये हुआ जो आपने कहा कि
हाँ,
that who is she, and it helped me क्योंकि उस सारे ऑडियंस मेरी काफी बढ़ गई. So
हाँ.
yeah, it helped me, yes.
Which brings me to Aisha, who's another Zoya veteran. You were in Dil Dhadakne Do. I remember noticing you there. You were so good. Uh, so Aisha, you always play this different kind of mom. I mean, she's usually a mom, but a very different kind of mom. Talk to me a little about that different kind of mom.
So I think the mom credit goes to my cheeks, uh, and my
Same
general
here.
round.
How
Same
Yeah,
sweet.
sure.
here.
Yeah. So I think the initial battle was accepting them, and then sort of saying, look, I'm going to work with them. I'm not going to try and get the jawline, because it was something beyond my reach, which I decided when I was like maybe 17 or something, कि ये नहीं जाने वाला boss, so खेलो. So so when the role came, I think again for me it is quite a big scene of being typecast as a mother. And I remember talking to Zoya and I said, male character actors get a lot of stuff written for them where their roles are different, but female character actors in general, say of my body type or my build, are relegated to 4 roles: Mummy, Chachi, Bua, Mausi.
Mummy,
So,
Chachi, Bua, Mausi.
Bua, Mausi. So that's my 4 areas to play in. But I was crying about this to my husband, and he said, "No, that's not your the difference in each of the mothers that you play. It's not your job to say, now I'm not going to play a mother. It's your job to say, what can I do with this mother? Where is this mother from? Or what are her agendas?" So in Veeredi Wedding, I was playing this sort of overbearing mother, but out of love. Like I was overbearing out of too much affection. Which I doubt that in person, if I had a daughter-in-law, I would be like shadowing on her like that. But so that, or someone who's a little ditzy, or someone who, but everybody comes from a different place. And a lot of these mothers are again Punjabi or UP, because those are the current flavors that we work with in Bollywood. Fortunately, I'm able to fit into both the slots. And I married into a rural family. My husband comes from more rural side of India. I don't at all. So I think that was a learning experience, because I was never cast in rural parts. Because I remember I was cast for an ad and they sent me a briefing saying, "We need, madam, aapke liye perfect role hai, up market chubby fair." So I said, yeah, up market chubby fair. So that, it was a very defining moment for me when I did something that was away from my upbringing. So maybe a village character, which I've seen Bang Baja Barat or toilet. So that's been interesting for me. But yeah, one is waiting for something very offbeat, but till then you work with what you get. That's, as an actor, you have to do that. You can't keep refusing.
Of course. But you were very different in Guinea with Sunny.
Yeah, again, she was a modern mom. She was not as traditional. She was kind of fun. She was, helping the kids along. So yeah, I guess you just learn to have, I think when you learn to have fun with the characters, and you don't resist the typecasting, saying, "Arey, again, I'm playing this character, arey, again." So I think it flows. I think, and again, I'm not a trained actor. I wish I was, but I'm not. So maybe that helps me, accept things easier and maybe flow into characters with a lot of like, I don't put a lot of thought into it, but I go instinctively with what I feel at the time.
Yeah. And have you had the experience where, when you're on set, directors look at your work and then suddenly your role expands?
There have been times where I started initially and people have said, "Ke, अरे यार ये सही है, इसको एक, शुरू में कि इसको एक और कर दो, या फिर इसको ये line यहाँ दे दो." And I'm the kind of actress like, really, एक और line? अच्छा चलिए करो. Not very camera hungry के सामने आ जाओ. I'm like, oh God, अच्छा चलो करते हैं. So yeah, so that's my problem. I'm like, maybe I'm lazy, but maybe I'm like, if I'm not required in a scene, I don't like putting myself there.
Right. But I think you
if I really feel that I'm important to a scene,
I think you steal every
Sorry,
scene you're in. I said you steal every
thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Which brings me to Shweta. Shweta, last couple of films that you've done, you really stood out, extraordinary work, especially in Serious Men as well. Talk a little about your journey from a child actor to, there was this whole controversy around you. And then, you're coming back and really fighting against tremendous odds to come back and do so well again. Tashkent Files, you were so good. Serious Men, you were brilliant, I thought. Talk a little about your journey.
Thank you so much, Kaveri ma'am. Yes, it has been an extraordinary journey. I mean, I've been very, very fortunate to start my career with a film like Makdi and then Iqbal, to have Vishal Bharadwaj and Gulzar Saab's lyrics and Shabana Azmi as my first co-actor. I didn't even know who was Shabana Azmi when I was 11. And my mother made me watch Masoom to introduce me to Shabana Azmi's work.
Okay.
And I was very, very excited to meet her. And I met her with that whole getup. And I was like, oh my God, she looks nothing like that Auntie Masoom at all. And then came Iqbal. And after that, I was getting many offers, but my parents were very, very strict about my education. And they said no to Rajkumar Santoshi's Halla Bol, Madhur Bhandarkar's Traffic Signal, and a lot of television series because they were like really, they wanted me to complete my grads and then decide what I want to do. So I completed my graduation in mass media and journalism.
From where?
And I did it in correspondence.
Okay.
I did my high schooling. I mean, I've studied been in Mumbai all my life.
Okay.
And then I made a documentary between 2011 to 2015 about the dying visibility of Indian classical music,
Yeah.
which is in fact on Netflix, which is my first association with Netflix as a platform, not as an actor, but as a maker. And it was a talking head documentary which had A.R. Rahman, Pandit Jasraj, Vishal Bharadwaj, Amit Trivedi, Shubha Mudgal, Pandit Birju Maharaj, Ustad Amjad Ali Khan Sahab, Dr. L. Subramaniam, and a lot of other people. And around that time, I was assisting Anurag Kashyap on a short film. I was working with Phantom Films. And I was co-producing a short film, in fact, in 2014 in June, which is called Interior Cafe Night.
Yes,
And
I remember. I've seen it.
yes,
Very good.
yes, thank you so much. And it was the second time I was working with Nasir uncle because I'd
Yeah.
known Mr. Nasiruddin Shah since Makri days. I'd worked with him on Iqbal, and I'd emailed him. I said, Nasir uncle, I'm producing this short film, and here's the script. Would you like to be part of it? And eventually, I was myself cast in it, so I was very happy. And around that time came that scandal that you spoke about,
Yeah.
that I find a pretty boring topic to talk about because I think my life is much larger than that. So let's stick to
Absolutely.
that.
Yeah.
And so it was the short film that came out and really changed things, and more than anything made me feel very, very nostalgic and wanting to get back to acting, because by then I was like considering maybe photography, being behind the camera, continue assisting Anurag, or like make more documentaries. But then came, Badrinath Ki Dulhania. I did a television show, and I've always been very, very lucky with really good work, really good associations.
Yeah.
And I have never learned acting. I've never been to any institution, acting school or a film school, or any theater group for that matter, because my dad is a Shriram Center acting and direction diploma holder from Delhi,
Okay.
and he has a theater group. So I have always seen reading and blocking at home, and my mom is a writer and a music and a parallel Hindi cinema fan. So my first association with cinema is as an audience. I've grown up going to literature festivals and music festivals and theater festivals, although I've never been on stage myself. But मतलब मेरे इस घर पे dinner table पे Schindler's List discuss होता था,
बहुत
and
great
parallel
school.
cinema discuss होता था, and Deepti Naval and Farooq Sheikh के films discuss होते थे, and Amrita Pritam और Premchand की किताबें थी. So, and my mom's a huge Beethoven fan, so I've been introduced to Western classical as well, and I've learned Indian classical myself. So that's pretty much been my upbringing, which is a lot marinated with lots of culture and literature and music and cinema. And uh, I can't say that. I think I've learned as I have been working, whether it's behind the camera or at Phantom as a script consultant, because I've read a screenplay a day for a year and a half, and that has really sharpened my
Right.
my choice of scripts. आज अगर कोई script मेरे पास आते हैं, मुझे पता है वो किस stage पर है, वो initial stage पर है या वो एक finished draft पर है, and that's an advantage I have. So yeah, I think I've mostly learned through my work, and as and when I've been associating with different directors, different actors. Even today, I think I've learned so much from just this interview, how actors, these lovely, lovely actors that I'm a huge admirer of how they prepare for their
Right.
roles. So yeah, that's pretty much that. And thank you so much. Yes, Serious Men was a very exciting project to work with Sudhir Mishra and the ensemble cast for Netflix. My character was the only one that was not adapted from the novel.
Yeah.
I was suggested by Mr. Vishal Bharadwaj to first read the book Manu Joseph's Serious Men before I read the screenplay, and I did that. And I loved the book. I'm a bookworm. I anyway love reading, and I think it was a very sharp, witty, well written book, and a very, very pacey and well edited, well written screenplay. And my character was screen written; it was not adapted.
Right.
So I had, in fact, a lot of liberty to sort of build my character, and I have this process of writing backstories of all my characters that I've all of them. So I wrote a 7-page backstory of Anuja, that I discussed with Sudhir sir, and both of us then exchanged notes, and that's what you've seen on screen.
Wow, that's lovely. In fact, that reminds me, Amrita, I'll just quickly put a question to you before I go to Indira.
Mhm.
Anurag was telling me that you developed a backstory in Choked
Yeah.
along with Rajshri, which actually was nowhere mentioned. And
Yeah.
it didn't even come, it didn't necessarily come to the fore. But
Yeah.
in your mind, you guys had prepared this backstory. Talk a little
No,
about this process.
I think it's good fun and good that Shweta also mentioned it, because see, that is the whole thing to internalize that
Yeah.
character, your backstories, whether they are shown on screen or not. That doesn't sometimes, and it's seen. Some people did get like कुछ लोगों को पता चला, and that backstory was of course कि राशि का और मेरा थोड़ा सा because
Affair
I'm not
chal raha
married.
hai.
हाँ, lesbian as in like I'm not married. तो ये चॉल्स में मैंने देखा, you cannot name रिलेशनशिप्स किस तरह के होते हैं
हाँ,
लोगों के बीच
हाँ,
समटाइम्स. मतलब ऐसे लगता है कि ये लोग बहुत ट्रेडिशनल है और दे आर वेरी मॉरल एंड एथिकल लोग. लेकिन मेरा कैरेक्टर जो ताई का है, वो आपने देखा होगा कि लास्ट में पता चलता है कि वो भी चुरा रही है पैसे.
बिल्कुल,
तो
बिल्कुल.
शी हैज दिस फेस जो है कि भाई मैं तो ऐसे नहीं करूंगी, मैं तो बहुत एथिकल, मैं तो मॉरल, मैं तो ऐसी, मैं तो वैसी. बट व्हाट शी इज डूइंग बिहाइंड, तो उसमें से ये हुआ था कि मेरी शादी नहीं हुई है, हर हस्बैंड इज आल्सो समवेयर एल्स, सो शी इज आल्सो अलोन. एंड पीपल look for love,
Hmm.
people look for love, right? And they find love finally, and it's beautiful. And we cannot name कि ये ethical
Right.
है या moral है या क्या है. So उससे मेरी और राज की वो बात हुई थी, और अनुराग की भी, as he told you, वो बात हुई थी. एंड मुझे एक और भी बात कहनी थी, जो बाकी की जो बातें चल रही है उसके बारे में, कि नाउ ये जो अभी हमने बात की ना कि मॉम का कैरेक्टर, सपोर्टिंग रोल, ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स बदल रहे हैं ऐसे मुझे लगा.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
Because nowadays, because writers are changing, and उनकी writing style भी बहुत modern हो गई है. They write every character as a human being,
Right.
तो आप अगर गली बॉय भी लोगे, तो उसमें से रजिया is not only a mother's character, she is a woman who says in front of her children to her husband कि क्या तूने कभी सीखा था कि मुझे कैसे छूना है. And this is a very modern thing. She is talking in front of her children. So she is a human being in herself. She is not only a mother or a daughter-in-law. So उसका खुद का एक किरदार है, उसको एक खुद का कुछ अहम self है, and that is the good thing about now every role, I would say. So nowadays I don't put roles in a supporting है या क्या है. It's what you take away with, तो वैसा मुझे लगता है about this supporting role.
बिल्कुल. I think the days when the character actors were like furniture for the main star to look good.
It's no more like that.
Is over.
No,
Yeah.
there's been a lot of change in that. Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't anyway, you don't have to sort of suppress yourself or not to outshine the star. You're
Yeah.
quite, I mean, you can actually be the star. I think that's what's changed, isn't it?
And
Yes,
I
yes.
think it's very well written right now. I think, that like Amrita ma'am said, it's so well written right now, because
Yeah.
even in life, I mean, come to think of it, you have a certain people who are your first circle people, who's your
Yeah.
family,
Yeah,
who are your friends, but you do have other people also who are just as significant in your
Right.
life. So, these are those characters who are just as significant to the story, and not just somewhere, like you said, they're not roles anymore. These are
Yeah.
characters now. There's a difference,
Exactly.
whole lot difference in that terminology itself.
Let's bring in Indira. Indira, I'm so sorry to come to you last, but really, first, of course, to congratulate you in a remarkable role. Talk a little about approaching this, because, we have been talking about stereotyping, being typecast, and this being your first major role where you're playing a mom. There's always that sense that, oh, how can you play a mom in your first big role? Was that ever a consideration?
तो एक्चुअली मेरा जर्नी भोपाल से शुरू हुआ. तो मैं
जी.
भोपाल से हूँ और मैं भोपाल में थिएटर करी थी 2001 से. तो मेरे लिए एकदम से मेरा जो थिएटर की जर्नी है वो एनएसडी जाने के बाद 2015 में मैं एनएसडी में सेलेक्ट हुई,
जी.
और 2018 में मेरा एनएसडी कंप्लीट हुआ. वो होने के बाद मेरा पहला फिल्म जो मैंने किया, दैट वाज विद सुमन मुखोपाध्याय सर, जो कि हिंदी फीचर फिल्म है नजरबंद, जो इस साल भूसान इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में वर्ल्ड प्रीमियर पे थी.
जी।
तो उसमें जो मैंने कैरेक्टर प्ले किया वो भी मॉम थी, बट
अच्छा।
एक रूरल मॉम होती है जो कि जिसका कोई एज बोलते हैं ना, बहुत बचपन में शादी हो जाती है एंड देन आप
बिल्कुल।
कामों में लग जाते हैं, फैमिली में लग जाते हैं। तो उस जोन में मुझे लगा ओके, तो ये वही सेम बात जो क्या कि मॉम के अलावा वो बहुत कुछ थी,
जी।
जैसे कि रियल लाइफ में भी होता है कि माँ के अलावा
बिल्कुल।
जो उसके अपने पर्सनल चीजें हैं, हर किसी से जो उसका रिलेशनशिप है वो बहुत डिफरेंट होता है। तो
जी।
मुझे लगा इसका खुद का एक जर्नी है वो। उसके बाद जब मेरे को ये सेकंड फिल्म, ये मेरा सेकंड करियर, मैंने थर्ड फिल्म किया, तो मेरे लिए ये नहीं था कि माँ का कैरेक्टर है क्या है, मैं 27 ईयर्स की हूँ और मैं ये मदर प्ले करूंगी तो मुझे कितना और एज प्ले करना है। हमने एज फिक्स भी नहीं किया बैठकर, बिकॉज अगर उन्होंने शादी किया तो जिस तरीके से जोन रहा होगा, उनकी अपनी बैक स्टोरी रही होगी, कहानी रही होगी, वो पता चलना उतना जरूरी नहीं। बट हाँ, जो उसकी जिम्मेदारियां हैं, जो कहानी
जी।
के जरिए चलती हैं चीजें, वो सब बिलीवेबल होनी चाहिए। तो मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि ओके, फैमिली है, बच्चा है, हस्बैंड है, के साथ चीज जस्टिफाई कैसे करते हुए जाना है, और बस बिलीव लगना चाहिए। तो मेरे लिए ये नहीं था कि फर्स्ट फिल्म है, मदर प्ले करूंगी तो अब सभी लोग मुझे मदर के कैरेक्टर भेजेंगे,
हाँ।
चीजें होंगी, पता नहीं क्या होगा, मुझे यंग रोल प्ले करना चाहिए। मुझे ऐसा लगा नहीं, मुझे सुधीर मिश्रा सर के साथ काम करना था, एंड देन स्क्रिप्ट इतनी अच्छी आई, एंड देन नवाज सर थे, इतनी अच्छी बढ़िया कास्ट थी, श्वेता थी, आदि था, नासिर सर थे, संजय सर। तो मेरे को कोई और, मेरे पास कोई चीज मना करने के लिए थी नहीं। मुझे लगा हम लोग सब लोग काम करके कहानी पहुंचाने वाले हैं,
और
तो वो
सबसे
कहानी
रिमार्केबल,
पहुंचनी
हाँ,
चाहिए।
जी, और सबसे रिमार्केबल चीज है, ऑफ कोर्स, which I think everyone has commented on, is your accent and your, the first thing when you see your surname and then you see you're playing someone from the south, it's so remarkable. तो आपने, of course it's acting, but बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रहा वो।
क्या, हाँ, बहुत सारे लोग कंफ्यूज थे बिकॉज मैं
जी।
ऑलमोस्ट बहुत ज्यादा करीब लग रही थी, तो सबको लग रहा था मैं साउथ इंडियन हूँ। कुछ कंफ्यूज हो रहे थे कि ये मलयालम है कि तमिलियन है। एंड देन जैसे ही मेरी भी फ्रेंड्स हैं, उनकी माँ का कॉल आया तो उन्होंने कहा कि इंदिरा ऐसा ऐसा है, और मुझे तो पता ही नहीं चला। और स्पेशली अनुराग सर से बात हुई मेरी फिल्म के बाद, तो वो काफी अप्रिशिएट कर रहे थे अनुराग कश्यप सर। तो मैंने उनको खुद थैंक यू मैसेज किया, एंड देन उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि पहले तो मैं फिल्म देख के हो गया कि भाई कोई साउथ इंडियन एक्ट्रेस आई है,
बिल्कुल।
एंड फिर मेरे को बिलीव नहीं हुआ कि ये तिवारी है। मुझे अभी तक बिलीव नहीं हो रहा कि ये तिवारी है।
तो मतलब
तो
थोड़ा बताइए आपका प्रिपरेशन कैसा था, आपने डिक्शन कोच यूज किया कि खुद किया आपने?
नहीं, हम लोगों के लिए हेल्प के लिए थे काफी लोग, जैसे कि
जी।
आदि की जो माँ थी वहाँ पे, लेखा, मतलब हम लोगों को एक पॉइंट पे लग रहा था, पहले सर कह रहे थे कि हम लोग पहले सीन्स पे काम करेंगे एंड देन जैसे लैंग्वेज वाले पार्ट्स आएंगे,
जी।
क्योंकि डिसीजन ये था कि जब वो बहुत इमोशनली बहुत ज्यादा हाई होते हैं तब शायद वो यूज करेगी, हर
जी।
जगह यूज नहीं करेगी।
जी।
तो जब मुझे शुरू में मैंने कैरेक्टर पढ़ा ओजा का, तो उस दौरान सर से एक डिस्कशन हुआ। तो सर बोले कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है, तुम माटुंगा जाओगी, धारावी जाओगी, कहाँ पे क्या देखना चाहती हो तुम, बिकॉज शायद इनके पेरेंट्स जो है एक मुंबई के होंगे तो एक कहीं गांव से होंगे, तो उनकी उनकी बेटी होगी ये, ऐसा डिस्कशन हुआ था। तो मैं एक्चुअली नेहरू नगर गई थी, वहां की मैंने चौल में घुस के थोड़ा बातचीत किया, एंड एक छोटी बच्ची काम करी थी हमारी फिल्म में, साइली करके, उसके फादर ने मेरे को बहुत हेल्प किया। तो वहां जाने के बाद मुझे पता चला ओके, चाय पिया, कॉफी पिया, सुना उन लोगों को बहुत ध्यान से। तो मुझे लगा ज्यादा बोलते हैं ना कि हम लोग कैरिकेचर, वो इतना कैरिकेचर बना देते हैं चीजों को कि एक पॉइंट के बाद वो हंसी मजाक में बदलने लगता है, चाहे वो हम बिहारी एक्सेंट यूज करें चाहे साउथ इंडियन। तो मुझे उसको और ऐसे टोन डाउन करते हुए लेके जा रहा था कि बिलीव भी रहे लेकिन इतना ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए। तो बस उन लोगों का थोड़ा कल्चर, रहन सहन और चीजें पता चली, उनका खुद का अपना बैकग्राउंड क्या है, वो लोग क्या क्या फॉलो अप करते हैं, और बेसिक चीजें घर में क्या क्या है, किस तरीके से बात करते हैं, चाय बनाने से लेकर हस्बैंड को चीजें देना, बच्चों को खेलना, छोटी छोटी चीजें। तो मुझे एक पॉइंट पे पता चला ओके, ये लोग ये रिचुअल फॉलो करते हैं, एंड देन बस कॉस्ट्यूम पहनने के बाद जो बोलते हैं ना, कॉस्ट्यूम पहना देन थोड़ा सा आप कंफर्टेबल हुए, अनकंफर्टेबल हुए, तो आपको कैरेक्टर मिलने लगता है। तो मुझे वो सारी चीजें मिल रही थी, और उसके साथ फिर एक्सेंट की बात आई तो डायलॉग जुड़े, जब डायलॉग आने लगे कि ओके, इसी में जैसे प्रेगनेंसी वाला सीन था, होटल का जो सीन था, उसमें जब डायलॉग्स आए उसमें बहुत सारी गालियां थी, ये था वो था, तो वो बिल्कुल सही तरीके से जाना चाहिए था। इतना फन था वो सीन कि मतलब ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है, इतना अच्छा लिखा था वो सीन। तो उस पे जब बात हुई चीजें, तो मुझे लगा वो बहुत आराम से, बहुत इजीली वर्कआउट हो गया, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। एंड देन मुझे लगा जब हम लोगों ने डबिंग किया तो हमने उसको और क्लियर किया और बेटर बनाने की कोशिश करी।
So, last question. Unfortunately, we're running out of time. Last question to all of you. I want to begin again with Amrita. आपका favorite अभी तक character कौन सा रहा है और क्यों?
That is very difficult to say because I think जो character मैं करती हूँ at present वो मेरा सबसे favorite हो जाता है because I am completely focused on it. So
जी.
I would say right now Bombay Begum जो मेरा next project है
हाँ,
जो will come on Netflix.
अलंकृता, वो बहुत ही
अलंकृता.
अच्छी राइटर एंड डायरेक्टर है.
तो या एग्जैक्टली तो मुझे लगता है जो भी मैं प्रेजेंट पे काम कर रही होती हूँ ना दैट इज माय फेवरेट बिकॉज मेरा सारा ध्यान उसी के ऊपर होता है जो हो गया है वो पास्ट हो जाता है तो नाउ आई एम कंप्लीटली फोकस्ड देयर so yeah as you said Alankrita is also like it was my wish to work with her
जी.
so right now I'm completely with my character from Bombay Begums so I'm like you
Yeah,
can say
really. I'm really looking forward to that.
Thank you.
Aisha, what about you?
I've liked almost whatever I've done. I've enjoyed, but I think a web series that I did very early on with Yash Raj, which was Bang Baja Barat.
Yes, you was just so funny in it.
I loved that role. I think it was something that was new for me at the time, but I think getting into it and enjoying it and really, I think I had a lot of fun with that. So that would definitely be one of my top favorite parts.
I enjoyed it so much. You were just so funny in it, and you kept a straight face throughout. You know. What about you, Shweta?
I really can't pick. I really can't pick. I think it's near impossible to call any of your characters favorite. I think
Right.
they all are so distinct. They
Yeah.
all have a part of your soul. They have a little part of your life, the time that you're shooting that in, and every time you look back at your work, it's documented that time of your life. So it's really impossible to say which one's favorite,
I
but they're
thought,
all very, very special.
But I thought, Shweta, you were extraordinary in Tashkent Files. You know, it was not
Thank
a
you,
film
ma'am.
that too many people watched, but it was quite a big arc. You know, and you
Yeah.
had to play.
Well, it was, I mean, it did 100 days at the box office. It was 100 days in the theater. It was, in fact, I received a lot of my work that I'm getting now is because of Tashkent Files. I've been a documentary filmmaker. I'm a journalist by qualification. Maybe that has sort of brushed off in the character, but really can't pick a favorite. I think that's up to you.
Great. Indira, you've had a short career so far. Anything on stage that you've done or anything that you did recently which you really, really enjoyed?
तो एक्चुअली वो बहुत मिक्सड अप है, लाइक हर चीज की फेवरेट हो जाती है उस पॉइंट के लिए, जो सेम बात है। एंड देन अभी भी शायद वेट करी हूँ उतना कि क्या मुझे पसंद आएगा, बहुत ही कमाल का कोई एक चीज होगी जिसको मैं बोलूंगी बहुत ज्यादा फेवरेट है। बट हाँ, थिएटर से फिल्म में जाते हुए मैंने सिर्फ 4 फिल्म करी है और मैं कर ही रही हूँ। और जो मैं रिसेंट प्रोजेक्ट रही हूँ वो बहुत ज्यादा करीब होता जा रहा है। मे बी शायद मैंने उसके साथ ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड किया है, इसलिए शायद हो सकता है। बिकॉज कई बार हम शूट करते हैं तो वो उसका टाइम स्पेंड जो होता है, हम शुरू करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट तो 1 महीने 2 महीने में होता है। बट मैं भी जैसे भंसाली सर के साथ कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे उस कैरेक्टर के साथ 1 साल होने को आ रहा है कि लाइक उस कैरेक्टर को बना रही हूँ। बहुत स्लो प्रोसेस चल रहा है, तो मे बी शायद वो बहुत ज्यादा दिल के करीब आ रहा है, लेकिन अभी भी मैं बता नहीं सकती बिकॉज हर चीज स्पेशल है।
Right. So this is in Gangubai, right? Indira, this is in Gangubai, Bansali's Gangubai, Kathiawadi.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you so much, ladies. It was really a lovely
Thank you so much.
And I have huge admiration for all of you. And please continue to do these wonderful roles. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great job.
Thank you.